Tomahawk Investor Channel. Dear YouTube viewers, welcome to the Tomahawk Investor Channel. It is time for that regular weekly episode of ours, and you have come to the right place, because in the next 15 to 20 minutes, you and our fellow tribesmen subscribers have every given right to consume regular educational dose of money investing mastery. Are you tired of the chaos in the YouTube world? The artificial copy and paste mumbo-jumbo videos, filled with empty promises and flashy gimmicks that lead nowhere. It's time to take charge of your money and to make your own financial destiny. Here at our investing channel, we believe in harnessing the power of your own intellect and wisdom, just as Native American Indians once used the tomahawk axe to secure sustenance. You've come to our educational platform to learn how to manage your finances effectively. And if you're here, it means you've set a valid goal for yourself, achieving financial freedom. If that goal is fueled by a burning desire to succeed, then you're already on the path to greatness. Our mission at Tomahawk Investor is to provide you with the best investment guidelines across various financial markets. We aim to educate and inspire you to develop the skills needed to create and manage wealth, ultimately leading you towards financial freedom for yourself and your loved ones. Education is key. By learning proper investing and trading strategies, you can steadily grow your savings and build a secure financial future. Whether you're interested in Forex, crypto, stocks, bonds, precious metals, or options trading, we've got you covered. Our goal is to produce weekly content that stimulates your intellect and fuels your desire to learn. In today's digital age, the wealth of financial knowledge is at your fingertips. But beware of false prophets and clickbait. Finding reliable mentors is crucial to your success. Learning on your own can be a slow and arduous process, consuming months or even years of your time. By following and subscribing to our Tomahawk Investor Channel, we'll accelerate your learning curve and save you valuable time. In a world where financial fortunes can change in an instant, mastering the secrets of investing and trading is the key to financial success. Join us as we delve into the mysterious world of wealth creation and uncover the fundamental principles of how money works. Ever wonder what sets successful investors apart? How do they navigate turbulent markets and come out on top? The key lies in understanding the secrets of investing and trading. While financial education is gaining recognition, it's surprising that many high schools worldwide still lack courses on money management and investment principles. Instead, students are often taught irrelevant subjects, missing out on crucial financial literacy. Establishing a solid foundation in investing education is vital for developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Learning about money from a young age empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions, securing their future well-being. Many of us in our midlife years struggle to manage our finances effectively. We buy and sell goods daily without proper planning or strategy, aiming to secure stability and prosperity for our families. Join us as we uncover proven principles that drive the world of finance. Get ready to explore risk management, portfolio diversification, and spotting lucrative opportunities. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge to take charge of your financial future. We're here to teach you sound investing practices, catering to traders and investors at every stage of their journey. Whether you're conservatively building wealth with stable investments like blue-chip stocks or diving into riskier ventures like penny stocks and Forex trading, we've got you covered. In parallel with our professional expertise, we try to teach you create a proper investing psychology by incorporating the wisdom of our native North American Indian ancestors, their ancient philosophies and traditions, and the power of minimalist living to help you find balance and purpose on your financial journey. If I was a native 19th century American Indian, I would have liked to be called Chief Trading Bull, because my passion was always been discovering of new market trends and grabbing the bull of profits by his horns in order to navigate him towards the path of profit and glory. I've done that by learning few trading tricks, hanging at the office and over beer with few experienced colleagues of mine, at my old brokerage office, and by educating myself with few proper investment strategies. That brought me in a position to quit my regular investment banking job and become a financially independent person. By doing so, I've put myself available to spend more time with my family and loved ones and to breathe fresh air every day. I removed myself from daily burden of having a regular office job that sometimes took 10 to 12 hours of my day, but most importantly, I have become debt-free. What else a descendant of the native Indian warriors may want to fulfill in the 21st century? It's important to note that achieving financial freedom was a gradual process that required patience and discipline. Before quitting my regular job, I assured solid financial foundation by properly managing my investment and trading portfolios. Being a trading bull and following bullish trends became an obsession to me. I bring the heritage of the old American Indian Ottawa tribes that lived around Chicago area. These tribes were part of the larger Algonquian language group and were known for their hunting, fishing, and farming practices. From my early college days, American lifestyle and modern capitalism pushed me to educate myself for a career at the stock exchange, where I've developed my expertise at various financial markets. I've managed to gain substantial insight by being able to spend over 25 years of my career working as a Forex dealer, stock exchange broker, fixed income securities portfolio manager, life insurance company investment manager, head of precious metals and investment gold unit at a Main Street bank. And I believe I have accumulated substantial knowledge to be able to speak up and share with you what I know. American Indian icon Crazy Horse once said, "Treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents. It was loaned to you by your children." That is why I decided to open this YouTube channel and to promote financial education for you and for generations to come. It is an obligation for any serious financial markets tradesman to promote proper investment and trading strategies, where an aspiring trader has to learn proper investment practices, but also acquire simple, powerful, natural life philosophies. And I promise these wisdoms will be added bonus value for your experience following this channel. In this video, you'll discover 10 best, most profitable financial instruments that can help you build multiple streams of passive income, all under my guidance. Mastering just one or a few of these instruments can teach you how to diversify your portfolio effectively and gain a real trading advantage. Let's dive into the 10 most lucrative investment products for investing and trading. Stocks. Investing in individual stocks of well-known companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Coca-Cola can yield high returns over time. We'll explore how to invest wisely in these stable and promising brands. 2. Bonds. Bonds offer regular interest income and are considered one of the safest investment options. They're ideal for protecting initial capital and for those investors who have already amassed substantial wealth. 3. Mutual and investment funds. These funds provide diversification and professional management, making them attractive to investors looking for stability. 4. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Similar to mutual funds, but traded on stock exchanges, ETFs offer exposure to broader market indexes or specific sectors. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow investors to invest in real estate properties without direct ownership, offering steady dividends. 6. Savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. These low-risk options offer guaranteed returns and easy access to funds, ideal for preserving capital. 7. Gold, silver, and other commodities. Investing in precious metals or commodities can hedge against inflation and market volatility, providing stability in uncertain times. 8. Cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer high price potential but come with high volatility and risk. 9. Options and futures. These contracts allow investors to speculate on asset price movements, providing opportunities for high returns, but requiring a deep understanding of the market. 10. Life insurance policies. Investing in life insurance policies is very popular among the rich. In each video, along with educational expertise, I'll share valuable trading psychology tactics to significantly enhance your investor profile and skills. These trader's psychology insights, which I refer to as tomahawk brain weapon powers, are a bonus in every video. Your mental agility, guided by your tomahawk, is crucial in navigating the vast and volatile financial markets dominated by large institutions. My lessons will cover technical and fundamental analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and market psychology. While my channel offers valuable resources, it's essential to have in mind the inherent risks of trading in financial markets. Exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Here's a glimpse of what you'll learn about market psychology by checking out these 7 principles of trading psychology, which are the following ones. Emotional control. Successful investors understand the importance of controlling emotions such as fear, greed, and panic. They maintain a rational and disciplined approach towards investment decisions, avoiding impulsive actions based on short-term market fluctuations. I will explain how you should implement lock and block strategies, where you will prepare your trade hit prior releasing your tomahawk. After such locking of your trade and opening a position in certain instrument, you will block all negative overthinking thoughts and patiently await and observe the results from your trade unemotionally. You will block all your self-doubts and hesitations to amend the deal, and only occasionally involving yourself to make eventual minor corrections in future, depending on your position development. After each releasing of your tomahawk, your focus should be placed on the next trade and on the next opportunity to open new positions, instead of overthinking the positions you've already properly opened and risk managed in advance. 2. Patience and discipline. Patient investors recognize that successful investing often requires a long-term perspective. They remain disciplined in their investment strategies, avoiding the temptation to make hasty decisions in response to market volatility or short-term trends. You will learn how to patiently wait to open position at best possible entrance level, like an Indian warrior that is patiently waiting its prey, hidden in the sandpit, virtually invisible for several long hours, waiting for the perfect moment to attack and engage your trade swiftly at most opportune time. 3. Risk management. Astute investors prioritize effective risk management, employing strategies such as diversification, position sizing, and setting stop-loss orders to mitigate potential losses. They understand the importance of preserving capital and managing risk in order to achieve long-term success. We'll learn what does term risk-reward mean and how to properly measure your wins, to be aimed to realize with 2 and sometimes 3 times larger than your losing trades. That is how you can make money, even when you have only 40 to 50% success in your trade, simply because you let your winners to be double and sometimes triple in size compared with your losses. 4. Contrarian thinking. Successful investors often possess contrarian thinking, allowing them to identify opportunities that may be overlooked or undervalued by the market. They are willing to go against popular sentiment and take positions that differ from the consensus based on thorough analysis and research. 5. Adaptability. Market conditions can shift quickly, so successful investors stay adaptable. They adjust their strategies based on new information and changing market trends, swiftly recognizing shifts in sentiment and adjusting their portfolios accordingly. We'll teach you the basics of technical analysis, enabling you to make informed decisions about when to enter and exit trades by simply following reliable chart signals and trading patterns. 6. Understanding behavioral biases. Knowing common behavioral biases, like confirmation bias and herd mentality, is crucial. By understanding these biases, investors can make rational decisions free from psychological pitfalls. You'll learn the importance of following market trends and avoiding trading against them, resisting the urge to be different and spending excessive time glued to trading charts. 7. Continuous learning. Successful investors are committed to ongoing learning. They stay informed about market developments, economic trends, and technological advancements. Continuous learning helps them adapt to changes, in the financial landscape and stay ahead of the curve. By incorporating these principles of market psychology into their trading approach, investors can develop a strong mindset to navigate financial markets effectively and make informed decisions over the long term. So that's all for this initial video. If you like this material and would like to hear more from us, don't forget to hit the like button, ring the bell, and to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Stay tuned for our future videos. I will try to organize regular weekly Tomahawk Tribe powwow meetings over the internet fireplace here on YouTube. By trying to produce regular weekly video releases of Tomahawk Investor Channel, here on YouTube we cannot use smoke signals to announce new videos. That is why it is essential for you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon in order to follow us. Take care. Your Tomahawk Investor Channel.